Welcome to your E3 Strategic Management CIMA course with Learnsignal. My name is Alan Lynch and I'm the Head of Education at Learnsignal. We are a digital-first education company with a vision to help as many people as possible pass their CIMA exams. We aim to turn professional education on its head by providing professionals with an easy and affordable way to study in an environment that offers 24/7 access and support. Your learning experience is at the heart of everything we do. The key learning outcomes for E3 are understanding the foundation of strategic management and the dynamics of organisational ecosystem and how it affects the strategy of the organisation. Strategic choice and how options are generated, linking them to the purpose, values and vision of the organisation, and how the options are evaluated, chosen and integrated coherently to form the strategy of the organisation. How strategy is implemented, how implementation objectives are achieved and how change is managed. And the technologies that underpin digital transformation and the various elements of digital strategy. E3 has 1,000 practice questions available for students through video quizzes, knowledge tests, our revision bootcamp and mock exams. Also, your subscription gives you unlimited access to all courses for the period of time you have signed up to. Remember, you can access CIMA course content for no additional cost, as it is already included in your subscription, meaning the amount of value you get from your subscription is only limited by your personal motivation and timetable. Further information can be found in the CIMA examination blueprints that you will find under the Resources tab of your course. To pass your exam in the simplest, most effective way possible, follow these 5 steps to success. 1. Download your free interactive study plan to guide you through your studies. 2. Access your first lecture, review the downloadable notes, and take the quiz to check your progress. If you do not pass the quiz, you should consider watching the video again. 3. After finishing your first section, go to the Practice tab and complete your related knowledge test. Repeat steps 2 and 3 until you have completed the full course. 4. To help you pass the first time, we have incorporated a 2-week exam bootcamp into your study plan. Bootcamp is designed to get you in the habit of practicing exam standard questions on a daily basis for 14 days in advance of your exam. Bootcamp also recommends completing 2 mock exam days to perfect your exam technique and build confidence in advance of your exam. Mock exams are available to purchase under your Products tab. And 5. Possibly the most difficult thing to do during your studies is to be a little selfish with your time. Make sure that as much as possible your study is a priority, and the faster you pass your exams, the quicker your career path widens in front of you. We also appreciate studying can be a lonely journey, so we have further support available. Our 24/7 tutor support is always waiting to answer your question, anytime, day or night. Should you need us at any stage, in any capacity, just click on the green chat icon on the Learnsignal site and we will be there to help you. Your membership gives you access to all courses, so if there was something you wanted to revise in a previous course, it is all available for no additional charge. We also recommend tuning into our weekly Saturday CIMA student podcast, Forget the Numbers, which offers valuable study and exam advice. Also keep an eye on our blogs and social media channels, including Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube and LinkedIn for all our latest updates and details, including information on regular webinars to give you additional support and advice and provide access to the Learnsignal community. Best of luck in your exam and we look forward to seeing you later in your CIMA journey.